Here are 9 tips for a better life. Ready? Let's go.
Number 1. Buy yourself a pack of socks, and put them away. When you are having a bad day, throw a pair on. There are few things nicer than a brand new pair of socks.
Number 2. When buying baby clothes for someone that is expecting a child, get clothes for older age groups, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months, not newborn. Parents receive a ton of newborn-sized clothes already, and the baby will probably not get to wear all of them before outgrowing them.
Number 3. Find a pair of socks you really like and only buy the same pair so you always get a matching pair of socks from the basket after washing them.
Number 4. If you are buying something high quality, prefer material over brand. For example, a good merino wool pair of sock will be almost certainly better than a fancy cotton one. Or a good full-grain leather belt will be almost certainly better than a fancy genuine leather one.
Number 5. If your job requires a lot of walking, bring an extra pair of socks. It's amazing what a difference a fresh pair of socks can make in the middle of a long shift.
Number 6. When drying clothes in the sun, turn them inside out so the colors don't fade in the sunlight. Number 7. Don't use fabric softener on sweat-wicking performance wear. It clogs the fibers and materials with a waxy film, rendering the clothing's purpose useless.
Number 8. If you have white laundry that has yellowed, do not use chlorine bleach, Clorox. Use oxygen bleach instead. Also, for severely yellowed whites, use a bluing agent, Mrs. Stewart's Bluing.
Number 9. If you have pet fur all over your clothes and you don't have a sticky roller, wet your hands and brush off the fur. Most of it will come off.
Number 10. Bring your old unwanted clothes to the homeless shelter instead of places like Value Village or Goodwill.
Number 11. Refrain from using fabric softener on your socks. It lessens the absorption, causing them to wear out at a much faster rate. Same goes for towels. Thanks, Mom.
Number 12. If you don't already, make it a habit to keep your wallet in your front pockets. Not only will this make it harder for people to steal, but it will help you avoid chronic back pain that's frequently caused by sitting with your wallet in your back pocket.
Number 13. If you have a kid in team sports like hockey where they're in full gear, get them distinctly colored gloves. They'll be much easier to spot when they're speeding down the ice and you can't see their number.
Number 14. If you find an affordable piece of clothing that works great for you, get a second copy if you can. Clothing wears out and gets lost or stained. Number 15. Tired of getting the wrong size shoe because it's not the same number brand to brand? Learn your shoe size. It's more accurate than USA shoe sizes.
Number 16. Vinegar is an underrated cleaning product and odor remover. Forget a load of clothes in the washer? Run again with a cup of vinegar to kill and remove mildew. Also works great at removing pet odor from anything washable.
Number 17. First time wearing a suit for a job interview or after a long time? Start dressing up in a suit a couple of days beforehand. You will feel more confident, comfortable and natural when you go in. Plus you'll get additional time to adjust your style over the days.
Number 18. Dressing sharp doesn't necessarily mean wearing a suit. Buy clothing that fits you well, wear pieces of clothing that go well with each other and marvel at the difference it makes.
Number 19. Go to Goodwill in rich areas. There will be name brand clothes and probably clothes only ever worn once before. Number 20. When wearing a tie on a windy day, slip a coin down the inside of the hem to keep the tie from blowing all around.
Number 21. New Year. Turn all of your hangers backwards in your closet on January 1st. When you wash and hang an item you wore, hang the clothing normally. At the end of the year, donate all clothing with the hanger still backwards. You haven't worn it in a year.
Number 22. If you use disposable masks, cut off the ear straps before throwing them away. Animals can get stuck in them otherwise. Number 23. Instead of spending a day shopping, spend a day cleaning out your closet. You will find clothes you didn't realize you had and rediscover old favorites you thought you had lost. Plus, it's free. Number 24. It's a better investment to rent bridesmaids' dresses and purchase fitted suits, rather than the other way around. The dresses are typically worn once, suits can be worn for many occasions.
Number 25. If you are expecting a child and don't have a lot of money, definitely check selling groups on social media like Facebook. People have bags of stuff for kids that have become too big they want to be rid of for free, or at a fraction of what it costs.
Number 26. If your shoelaces are always coming untied, the reason is the rest of your laces aren't tight enough. No matter how tight you tie the bow, slack in the laces will work its way up to loosen the bow.
Number 27. When you find a clothing item that you really like and fits you very well, buy a few more. Eventually the original will wear down, lose shape, and it'll be hard to find a replacement.
Number 28. Is someone you love having a baby soon? Most people will gift newborn-size clothes for the baby shower. Buy 6 to 12-month clothes for them instead. Newborn size doesn't usually fit for long if at all, but getting that bigger size means it will fit at some point. It's also one less expense for them. Number 29. When buying socks, first throw out or donate all your old ones. Then buy a set of 30 to 40 identical ones, so you will never have to look for matching pairs again.
Number 30. When doing laundry with liquid detergent, just throw the plastic measuring cup into the wash with your clothes. All the extra detergent will be used and the cup comes out clean as a whistle. LPT2. Don't put the cup in the dryer, it's loud AF tumbling against the sides.
Number 31. Put a coat of clean nail polish onto the threads of a button to keep it from unraveling. Number 32. Dryer lint is mostly your clothes gradually disintegrating. If you have a beloved shirt you'd like to wear forever, let it air dry.
Number 33. Put a bar of unopened soap or two in the drawers you use to store your clothes. Your clothes will always smell extra fresh and nice.
Number 34. Get rid of armpit stains in shirts using hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and a dab of dish soap. Number 35. Buy winter clothes near the end of winter and summer clothes at the end of summer.
Number 36. When writing an online review for clothing, leave your height, weight, and the size you ordered. It's one of the most helpful things you can tell potential buyers and can save others from needing to make wasteful returns.
Number 37. You don't need to spend a lot of money on your clothes to look great. An outfit that fits you well looks nicer than expensive clothing which doesn't. You can also make a cheap outfit look more expensive by splurging on shoes, and a belt if applicable. Number 38. On January 1st, turn all the hangers in your closet with clothes on them backwards. When you re-hang your clothes after washing them, turn the hangers the proper direction. On January 1st of the following year, donate all the clothes that haven't been turned to charity.
Number 39. Medical scrubs make excellent pajamas. They're light, durable, reversible, and when you spend all day in your jammies everyone assumes you have important business they shouldn't interrupt.
Number 40. If you find a wallet on the ground you can put it in any US postbox and they will deliver it to the address on the ID free of charge.
Number 41. Invest more in tops, shirt, blouses etc. than pants. People do notice when you repeat the same top frequently. But pants, Jeans especially, can be worn frequently without people noticing how often you repeat them.
Number 42. When gathering clothes to donate, make sure to go through all your pockets so you don't accidentally donate $20 or that bracelet you've been looking for. On the flip side, when you thrift, check the pockets, perhaps someone forgot something.